The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the Government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.
Hagini kejing Plie haka arpu pratrek urisau arajar arpusan lainan lang Menteri Sarkar bakmi Secretariat Arts and Culture basan Borchulai UMLA Sora ba Gavin William Chief Secretary ke Jelau Dr. P Shakil Ahmed Commissioner Secretary ke Sarkar Jelau ba CVD Dengdo SDO Civil Pynursla Civil Subdivision ikong Ivarinia Warjri MDC kenong scan ikong Grace Mary Karpuri bat kiwe-kiwe Nengkong Menteri Rangba ulalit ban Plie ya ke BIDC kebelatai ke office jong Pynursla CNRD block hakabau samru ya ki kun sniang shikino rijingri ulaplai dru iklai tli kali berlaot gikiek kum kejing lek kemana kejing Plie ya kene ke office jong ke block integrated development complex BIDC kebelatai temai kaba UBDO uniok menteri kam bat pentulun ki kam kijam bat ki kam penroi kisnong githau Haba kerana kejing yalang Menteri Rangba ulang ba kejing kentiau bat kejing senapan bahai ke office terekam ketika mat ke pekilabu akamat dia naduk belatau ke Sarkar MDA hak senam arajar kat pra. Baru ulang bagi babon hi nak kisau pun ruteli ke block office ke beranda kelang ke jela keladuna kejing don kam ke babiang. Haga babon kela terekam ni kejaka ke besipor ne hak kejing tai ke belajot. Ulapan mana babaro san pun ruteli ke blok ke jela lah bahai ketika banda ni kejaka terekam ke bapura bergeru komte kini ke office kan long bet dekat juhi ke design bad lapan tip bani kini ke san pun ruteli ke blok berhadapan Plie keberang dan hapok kejing tei dan yang kelenti ban khot tanda no bat kumta hapok jok sisnam na arsnam man lagi blok kin dan no lagi office ke batamai.
We have given what we call a police infrastructure fund for repair kind of renovation fund. We call it PIRF, Police Infrastructure Renovation Fund, where now the SPs can repair the thanas, the barracks, the different police stations, outposts at their own level without requiring any kind of sanction from the state government or from the department, and it would be an untied fund given to the SPs, and we have spent close to 15 crores to revamp the police infrastructure at the district level and at different thana level, and I'm sure you must have seen the kind of work that's going on is making a huge difference. We have spent close to 500 crores where we have either renovated or constructed new school buildings in all government LP schools, UP schools, primary, secondary schools and higher secondary schools. So we ensured that not just administration but all government schools also would get infrastructure. Now we are in the process of taking up government aided schools like ad hoc and SSA also to be repaired. So 500 crores has been spent on school infrastructure. All the DC offices and SDO offices which did not have a proper SDO office, or now what we call a mini secretariat, we have sanctioned in most locations, and wherever there was no SDO office, a district like Bakmara, which was created 33 years back, has been functioning from the old SDO office for the last 33 years. Only 2 years back, we sanctioned close to about 10 crores plus, I can't remember the number, but we sanctioned for a new DC office in Bakmara. Similarly for hospitals, PHCs, CHCs, and especially sub-centers, close to about 300 crores has been sanctioned for improving the infrastructure, which is happening in a phase-wise manner. We can't do everything in one go, but the process has started. So therefore, from a larger government perspective, as I said, we are very clear that if we desire to give good service to the people at the grassroots level, it has to come with proper infrastructure to serve them. And it is with that mindset and vision that this block today has materialized. I would like to thank the CNRD department and all the officials concerned who have made this a possibility and a reality.